The Congress, like I said, has lashed out at what the Prime Minister said. In a political attack, it sought time from the Prime Minister, has said that they will also be sending copies of their manifesto from all over India to the PMO. Listen in.
Elections should fight with harmonious mindset. That should begin from the Prime Minister itself, because Prime Ministership is the big position in this country, constitutional position. But this is quite unfortunate. He is lying everything. He is entirely misquoting the Congress manifesto. That is why we decided to send the manifesto from all over India to PMO. That's all. He is panicking. He is now realizing that India's mood is changing. That is why he is doing all of these things.
There are several reactions that have come in from the Congress. They're attributing his remarks to a disappointing phase 1 of Lok Sabha elections for the BJP. And they've said the Prime Minister's only resorted to lies and hate speech to divert people's attention from real issues. The Congress has also challenged the Prime Minister to show where in the Congress manifesto does it say that they will give all their resources to the minority community. Let's listen in to some other reactions coming in from the Congress camp.
जो ट्रेंड आया है उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत पिछड़ गई। उसी की हताशा, निराशा और बौखलाहट में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपने पद की गरिमा को गिराते हुए एक बड़ा राष्ट्रीय झूठ बोला है। मेरी चुनौती है प्रधानमंत्री जी आपको कि आप हमारे घोषणा पत्र में वो पेज बताइए, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में वो लाइन बताइए जहां हमने ये कहा है कि हम सबका इकट्ठा करके मुसलमानों में बांट देंगे।
I'm sorry, this is a very disgraceful speech made by the Prime Minister. But you know, the fact is that people realize that when he says the Congress party is going to take all your wealth and give it to the Muslims, that this is just a nakedly communal appeal which normally any civilized election commission would disallow and warn the candidate for speaking like this. It's simply not decent, number one. Number two, it has never happened. The Congress party is constantly accused by Mr. Modi of having ruled the country for 65 years. Have we taken away people's wealth and given it to the Muslim community? What nonsense is this talk? How can the Prime Minister, a man I respect as the Prime Minister of India, how could he talk like this? I'm truly disappointed.
हर कोई अपनी बात करे। वो रामायण में एक बात लिखी हुई है ना, जाको रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूरत देख रही थी तैसी। जिसके मन में जो होगा वही बोलेगा। गुलाब के फूल से गेंदे की खुशबू तो आएगी नहीं, तो जिसके जैसे विचार हैं वो वैसी बात करता है। तो हमने आपको कहा कि वो पूरे चुनाव में यही करेंगे। उनके मुंह से रोजगार नहीं निकलेगा, उनके मुंह से महंगाई नहीं निकलेगी, उनके मुंह से देश के ऊपर कर्जा आपको मालूम है।
I am telling you, Honorable Prime Minister should know that he has taken a oath on the Constitution that every section will be taken oath. He is the head of the country and all people in this country are equal. You can't differentiate anyone. It is sending bad message across the country and the world. This is a very unfair.